All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can take your testing contact, your testing profile, and make alterations to it, but not actually do lasting changes. So here's what I mean. If I go over to my contacts, I have this profile of me, but now I need to make changes to this profile, but I don't want them to be lasting changes because this is the real data for the person. So what can I do? How can I save a snapshot of this person so I can test? Well, what you'll do, and you'll just do this one time, is navigate to settings and then navigate to fields. In the top right corner, you're going to select new field and you're going to create a field called versioning enabled. So now select true false because that's the type. It's a checkbox and we're going to create this. So now when I go back over to my contacts and when I select Jason and I type in versioning, it's there. Okay, now watch what happens when I check this box. You'll see a change up on this dark blue bar. I'm going to check it. And now I have the revert back. So when I click on this icon, it auto-saved my change. If I refresh my page, you're going to see that today, May 15th, I enabled versioning. So what will happen is if I go back over here and I revert back, it's going to take away this activity. It's going to disappear. Now it takes the system just a moment to do that. So I'll show you though what the power of this is and how I can now put myself into an experience, into a workflow, a recruiting flow, and get all the results I need and then be able to revert back to where I currently am. So it just updated. Notice my May 15th is gone. And so now, because May 15th is gone, if I scroll down, notice versioning enabled is unchecked because that's my status. This is the exact status before I checked it. So let's do it again. Let's check versioning enabled. Now that we've checked it, what I want to do is I want to change Jason's recruiting status to be interested, and I want to remove the time for his call. And the reason I want to do that is because I want to retest Jason. So let's now go over to our campaign where Jason can schedule his interview. And if you notice real quick right here, what we're doing is we're checking, is Jason on Nexus? Yes. Then check Jason's status. If it's interested, which I just set it to, then we're going to let Jason schedule, and then we're going to update his value to be scheduled. Okay, so let's go ahead and zoom out of this. And what I need to do now is go and look at the contacts, and we're going to see Jason is here. And I simply need to reset his progress. Now that I've reset his progress, reset his progress, let's look at his portal. And now he can schedule his interview. And if I were to go and look at his profile right here, you're going to see he's interested, okay? So let's go back in. Let's schedule an interview. We'll just pick one of these times. We'll confirm. And now he's scheduled. So let's go back over to his profile here. I'm going to refresh this page. And when I scroll down, notice now he's scheduled and we have a date. Okay, so I just ran that whole test. I see all this activity that took place today on May 15th. Now I know that my workflow works. Okay, so I want to revert Jason back. So all I have to do is go back to Jason, go down to the very bottom event and reset. And when I reset this, it's going to revert back to that initial period where Jason was exactly what I needed, and I don't have those lasting changes on him. So I just tested with him in such a way where I can undo the things that were done in that flow that I had just worked on. So it's really great, really helpful. Notice all my activity is gone. If I scroll down and look at Jason, we see he's scheduled, we see his previous time, and now I'm back to the historical record. So you can do this on any contact if you use that versioning enabled. If you have questions as you start to use this, let us know. We'd love to make improvements to it, but that's how you can do this. But now that it's set up, I can do it on anybody. So like I said, if you have any questions, reach out to us by clicking the help icon and then talking to us at support or asking the AI agent for some assistance. Thanks so much.